Week 4 of Super Rugby Aotearoa kicks off here at Sky Stadium in Wellington this evening with a battle between the Hurricanes and the Chiefs. Again, the ball is slow though, and another penalty coming here as Barrett shoves a man out of the road, and off goes Geordie. Barrett looking to link up on the inside, delivers the pass for Campbell. He made a bad start to the game, but he scores the opening try.
100%. Luke Campbell, first start in the 9 jersey, didn't start very well at all, and now look at him.
And Brad Weber again for Mackenzie at first receiver. Takiaho, and he got the pass away to Trask, and Caleb Trask under the bar. What a good try that is.
Very good line from Samasoni Takiaho, and just a casual offload off the right hand, Caleb Trask. That is another good start from both teams, and the Chiefs fire back.
Campbell digs it out again. Blackwell, good hands, gave it away for Princep. Now Campbell once more. Ledger slings it off. Here's Laumapi and a bit of space. Nani Laumapi feeds it across to Riccatelli, and the hooker scores in the corner.
Wow, what a game. What a game you're in for. 15 minutes in, we have seen 3 great tries already.
Stay on, stay on.
And Campbell. Trask waiting. Time. Oh, completely lost it. Ball loose. Now snapped up by Julian Savia. Gets it away. Quick ball required here. And they do get quick ball. Laumapi goes wide for Rayasi. And Rayasi's over. Great strength.
How good. And again, Nani Laumapi, he's known for his carrying. That's 2 try assists to his name. And Salesi Rayasi, there's been a lot said about this young man over the last couple of years. Has been lighting the Mitre 10 Cup on fire for Auckland.
And this time, bang down the middle it goes. Ball is there for Campbell. Laumapi decides he's going to take him on as well. Now the ball swung away. Blackwell. Yes. Siding through is Rayasi. He gets 2. And the Hurricanes get a bonus point try.
Salesi Rayasi has arrived.
And that is the end of the first half. A first half in which the Hurricanes have scored 4 tries to 1 at Sky Stadium and lead by 26 points to 7. As Takiaho throws in. It's up high off the ground here. The Chiefs will need to somehow control this. Hurricanes have got it. Now here's Weber. Away it goes for Anton Leonard-Brown. Hurricanes again desperate in defence. Mackenzie has a go. Offloads. Try scored. Quinn Tupaia, I think it is. Scores the try. No, in fact, it's Chase Tiatia.
Yeah, Chase Tiatia has been good.
Happy with speed at tackle, Jimmy.
As Mackenzie's conversion is over and the Chiefs are back in the game.
Okay, Kane's out.
The big kick and chase. Mackenzie waits. Ball swirling around and Barrett's after him, but Mackenzie's too good. And off goes Damien Mackenzie, offloading brilliantly to Tiatia. Trying to get away, does so from Ledger. He fires it off. Oh boy, this is a try and a half. Brad Weber for the Chiefs.
Damien Mackenzie, he's been awesome all game, mainly on defense, of course, because of the way the game's been going. But that time, Damien Mackenzie sets his team alight. Brad Weber finds himself on the end of it, and just like that, 2 quick tries, and they're back in the game.
No, keep waiting. Chiefs is down there.
Creeping across field, now going backwards.
Same ball.
Still well formed though.
Same ball. You've only got 1 more. You've got to use it in the next one.
Still going though, the Chiefs. Still going. Still going. And over. Try scored.
Try.
And it's all tied up here at Sky Stadium in Wellington. What a fight back from the Chiefs.
Again, taking the ball back a long way to improve his angle. And away goes the kick, and it's looking good. Over it goes, and the Chiefs are in front.
Advantage, high tackle.
No tackle is the call.
Penalty
Tomatini.
advantage.
Barrett, Nankerville charging up, but it's another penalty.
High tackle.
Right, so here he goes. Distance is okay. Oh, what a kick that is. What a kick that is.
Use it.
Hurricanes now having to defend. Off it goes, and try scored. The Chiefs go in again. So here's Mackenzie to make it a 6-point advantage. The Chiefs will put it into touch, and finally the drought is over. The Chiefs have won and have broken the losing streak with an excellent victory here tonight at Sky Stadium.